Hello reading associates and bookish friends. Medyo hindi pa okay yung voice ko, but for today I'm still doing a book review, and let's talk about An Abundance of Catherines by John Green. Honestly, nung una medyo hesitant ako kasi after The Fault in Our Stars, which was a massive book, and may film adaptation pa nga. I forgot kung anong taon yun lumabas. And I thought baka pareho lang ang vibe, pero hindi, ibang-iba siya. The story is about Colin, isang child prodigy na laging iniiwan ng mga girlfriends niya, all named Catherine. Yes, as in 19 Catherines. Ang kulit, diba? So basically, it's a road trip na may halong mathematics, love, and finding your place in the world. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, it's not your usual love story, more on self-discovery siya. As in, journey ng isang tao na gustong laging may proof na special siya, na may lugar siya sa mundong ito. Pero habang binabasa ko, na-realize ko na hindi mo kailangan ng formula or big achievements to matter. Sometimes, okay lang to just exist, enjoy the moment, and connect with people. Siyempre, may typical John Green humor. Witty banters, nerdy jokes na at times di agad sumasakto, pero pag nagets mo, ang funny. At meron ding heartwarming parts na relatable kung feeling mo left behind ka or parang lagi may pressure to be someone important. Kung may downside lang siguro, minsan dragging yung math stuff, lalo na kung di ka fan ng formulas and graphs. Pero ako, I found it quirky kasi it shows how Colin thinks. Isa sa mga highlights for me is yung friendship niya with Hassan, yeah. Ang funny ng dynamic nila. Colin being super nerdy and serious, tapos si Hassan yung comic relief. Sila yung tipo ng magkaibigan na kahit magkaibang personality, they balance each other out. And honestly, more than the love story angle, mas na-enjoy ko yung friendship nila. Ang genuine, ang natural. Tapos, andon pa si Lindsay, yung girl na na-meet nila during the road trip. She's not another Catherine, pero she becomes very important in Colin's journey. Hindi siya cliche love interest lang, parang she also helps Colin realize na hindi mo kailangang ma-define ng ibang tao para maging worth it ka. Ang ganda rin ng pagkaka-road trip vibe ng book, yung small town setting, yung random adventures, at yung feeling na habang naglalakbay ka physically, may parallel na inner journey ka rin. Alam mo yung after a long trip, you're not the same person anymore. Yun, ganun yung feeling yung binabasa ko. Overall, kung gusto nyo ng light read na may mix ng humor, nerdiness at counting life lessons, I recommend this book. Hindi siya kasing heavy ng The Fault in Our Stars, pero it's charming in its own way. Hindi ka iiyak ng todo, pero mapapaisip ka about identity, friendship, and what it means to be special. So yeah, kung mahilig ka sa road trip vibes, nerd humor at kwento ng self-discovery, check this out. For me, it's not John Green's best, pero it has its own magic. And sometimes yung mga books na hindi sobrang intense or dramatic, sila pa yung nagiiwan ng mga simple pero tumatagos na lessons. And I believe that's it for our book review. I'm going to get some rest. Probably I will still be recuperating for a couple of days. And after that, back to regular programming tayo. I'll read some more books para meron tayong i-review sa mga susunod na vlogs. So, yun lang. Stay happy, stay curious, and I'll see you around.